Let's wind down trade for the week. Mubina is waiting by to walk us through how the price action has been today, and not very different from what we've been seeing, Mubina, all of this week.
Well, for the last 6 days, precisely speaking, the selling pressure on the benchmarks is on. Though, mind you, for today's trading session, we've seen quite a decent pullback from the day's low. So 0.2% lower only, and that too when we were losing more than 1%. So a very sharp uptick is what we've seen in the last 1 odd hour of the trading session. And across the board, the benchmarks as well as the broader markets have seen quite a recovery. Though, mind you, the mid-cap index is still losing about 150 odd points, close to 1% of losses witnessed over there. But if we have to just talk about today's trading session, where exactly did we see selling pressure? Once again, it was the metal and the pharma pack that did see a lot of selling pressure. So we had JSW Steel that was the top loser today in the Nifty space, along with even Tata Steel that did lose out significantly. And then, of course, we have to talk about Dr. Reddy's after the US FDA action did as well cause the stock price to come under pressure. And along with it, Sun Pharma too did fall significantly. A 4% downtick is what you witnessed over there. But mostly it was only these two stocks. Then we also had Vedanta and Hindalco again from the metals pack that did lose out significantly. India Bulls Housing, OMCs like HPCL continue to decline today as well in trade. Grasim, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Finance too did see selling pressure and were among the top Nifty losers. We also did have among the Nifty gainers, by the way, NTPC today managed to hold out very strongly, and BPCL too gained about 4 odd percent. In fact, with the exception of HPCL, the rest of the energy pack seemed to be pretty decent. RIL was leading the gains. GAIL and ONGC too in the rest of the energy pack was among the top Nifty gainers. IOC too gaining. So it's really HPCL that was bucking the trend. Bharti Infratel, Tata Motors did have that report from Moody's that did say that things may not be all that bad. So quite a recovery witnessed in Tata Motors, 1.5% higher today. Airtel and Eicher Motors along with L&T too were among the top Nifty gainers. Page Industries, pull up that stock and look at the selling pressure witnessed over there. It's another 9%, almost 8.5 to 9% gone just in today's trading session. 2,200 rupees eliminated from the value of the stock today in trade. J. Kumar Infra losing 8% along with an Indian bank. Indocount Industries continues to fall. Cox and Kings once again falling in trade. Shrey Infra as well has been a big mover and shaker off late, not just today. Glenmark reacting to its Q3 numbers. The stock price is lower. Canfin Homes too tanking in trade. TN Newsprint, this one has anyway been an underperformer compared to the rest of the paper stocks that have been seeing quite a decent uptake. So today too, the stock has fallen. Sun TV, Vodafone Idea, McLeod Russell again reacting to its third quarter numbers. Ashok Leyland yesterday saw that decent uptake. Now today, however, we are perhaps seeing some profit booking come by, so 5% lower today in trade. Again, on the flip side, we have some gainers, and Infibeam over there is topping the charts, 11% higher. The Adani pack once again is looking very perky. India Bulls Real Estate, CCD, Phoenix Mills as well as ABFRL along with CG Power are some of the other big gainers.